Well, I mean, construction is moving forward. The firms involved in the construction are getting a lot done. We're at sort of the temporary construction phase that'll be there while we're doing the main construction. That's getting close to being completed, and I think people will appreciate it more. I know it interferes with a lot of people, the construction site, the businesses, and just traveling through. But it's one of those things you're going to be happy with the final result when we get there. You just have to put up with the inconvenience in the meantime.
And our photos show 2 roundabouts. I think people might have known, but there is going to be 2, right?
There is in the long term. The photos should show sort of the long-term plan and the interim plan, and that'll keep traffic coming into the west end of Portage, which I think everybody agrees is very important.